A very good afternoon to all of my dear students. This is your online class, and today I will revise the chapter named reproduction in plants. First of all, I will tell the main topic, then I will ask you some question that will be MCQ type question that answer in the chat box. Okay. So, first of all, this in reproduction in plants, as you know what is reproduction and what are the different types of reproduction, asexual and sexual mode of reproduction, and you know the difference between these two. There is no involvement of gamete, no formation of seed in case of asexual reproduction, but in sexual reproduction just opposite of it. Here is the involvement of male and female gamete and formation of seed occurs. Okay. So, in plants this is actually occurring. Now, in plants asexual reproduction, from the first sexual reproduction part we have just learned about vegetative propagation, and the reproduction takes place through the vegetative parts of the plants just like buds, roots, stems. Okay. So, these are the vegetative parts or vegetative propagules, they are also called vegetative propagules. Okay. So, first of all we have learned about all these type of vegetative propagation, then we came across the other type of asexual mode of reproduction just like budding, then fragmentation, spore formation. Okay. These are called asexual mode of reproduction. These are comes under asexual mode of reproduction. As you know, in yeast budding takes place, the bud is new forms, bulb like structure forms, and after that they will form a chain of buds. Then after from the chain the single yeast cell actually detached from the mother cell, and they will form so many yeast cell within a short time period. Okay. So, we have learned about budding, then fragmentation. By fragmentation, algae is actually multiply in a very short time in the pond. Okay. So, this is the process of asexual reproduction in algae. Then comes to spore formation, that can be seen in fungi. Okay. When they get favorable condition, okay. So, they will grow. I hope you understood. Now comes to sexual mode of reproduction. As you know, when both male and female reproductive part are present in a plant, then we can say that this plant having bisexual flower, and when any one of the reproductive organ, means mainly maybe the male reproductive organ or female reproductive organ, if they are present singly in a flower, then we can say the flower is unisexual. Okay. And we have came across the male reproductive part and female reproductive part also. What is the male reproductive part of the flower? Stamen, and stamen have two parts, the one is anther and another is filament, and in pistil or carpel what are the parts? Stigma, style and ovary. Okay. Then later anther produce pollen grains. These pollen grains actually develops into male gametes. Okay. So, by this way their fertilization takes place, and pollination takes place with the help of some insects, or self pollination maybe takes place. Pollination means transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma is called as pollination, and pollination may be of two types, one is self pollination and another is cross pollination. Self pollination means when the pollination occurs between the same flower having both male and female reproductive part, and they are mature at the same time. Okay. And that may also takes place in a bisexual flowers also of the same plant. Okay. Of the same plant, if there is two different flower, if this pollination occurs in between them, then this is also known as self pollination. Okay. And cross pollination means when the pollination takes place between the two flower that is of different plant, they are of same species. This is known as cross pollination. Okay. So, I hope you understood, and dispersal of seed will not come in your exam. This has been reduced for your term 2 syllabus. Okay. So, now I will discuss some MCQ pattern question for you. Just give me answer. Is everyone ready to give answer? sorry. Okay. First question, for vegetative propagation in potato takes place by first option leaves, then stem, root, seed. What will be the answer? Vegetative propagation takes place by in potato leaves, stem, root or seed. What will be the answer? Very good, the answer will be stem. Now the next question, in which of the following plants buds are present on the margin of the leaves? I am giving example Bryophyllum, touch-me-not, chandan, tulsi. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Bryophyllum. Very good. Bryophyllum will be the answer. Now reproduction in yeast. What type of asexual reproduction takes place? Fragmentation, binary fission, budding or spore formation. What will be the answer? Very good. Answer will be budding. Yes. Give answer fast. Okay. So I will ask you so many questions within this time. Now by which method of reproduction algae spread so rapidly? First option budding, then sexual reproduction, then fragmentation, then pollination. What will be the answer? Algae rapidly grow by fragmentation. Very good, very good. Now the eye of a potato plant, listen the question carefully. The eye of a potato plant is what? First option, the root is to any plant, the bud is to a flower, the bud is to a bryophyllum leaf, the anther is to stamen. What will be the answer? Means how can you compare the eye of a potato to these four options? What will be the answer? Again I am saying the option, the root of any plant, the bud is to a flower, the bud is to a bryophyllum leaf, the anther is to a stamen. What will be the answer? Yes, very good. Option C, the bud is to a bryophyllum leaf. Very good. Now the ovaries of different flowers may contain only one ovule, many ovule, one to many ovule or only two ovule. What will be the answer? Yes, one to many ovules. Okay. Means the ovaries of different flowers may contain one to many ovules. Now got your answer? Okay. Now from transportation in animals and plants, I will ask you question. Okay. What is the function of RBC? What is the function of RBC? Transport of oxygen, fight against germ, involved in blood clotting, all of this. What will be the answer? Transport of oxygen. Very good. Now the next question, that is absorption of nutrients and exchange of respiratory gases between blood and tissues takes place in vein, arteries, heart, capillaries. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Veins, arteries, heart, capillaries. Very good. The answer will be capillaries. Very good, Ayantik. Now the next question, that is aquatic animals like fish excrete their waste in gaseous form as first option oxygen, then hydrogen, then ammonia, then nitrogen. What will be the correct answer of this? Yes, obviously the answer will be ammonia. If the question is just like if I say that the excretory product of frogs having steady products, there are so many options like ammonia, nitrogen, uric acid and urea. What will be the answer in case of frog? What will be the answer? In case of frog? No, Antik, you are wrong. Uric acid. Okay. In case of human beings, the excretory product is urea. Okay. You have to remember this point. Now got the answer, everyone? Okay. Now forest our lifeline. I am asking some MCQ from forest our lifeline. Okay. Now first question is, decomposers convert the dead plants and animal tissue into clay, inorganic debris, humus, soil. What will be the answer? Very good. The answer will be humus. Now sequence that represent the series of eating and being eaten is known as food series, food chain, food web, food hub. What will be the answer? The options are food series, food chain, food web, food hub. Very good, Tanisha. The answer will be food chain. Okay? Yes, Sania. Now the next question, the branches of tall tree look like a roof over the other plant in the forest is called humus, canopy, crown, none of these. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Very good. The answer will be canopy, not crown. You have to say the layer here. So you must say that is canopy. Okay? Answer will be canopy. Okay. Now, plants also maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So the forests are called heart, skin, kidney or lungs. What will be the answer? Very good. The answer will be lung. Next, forests protect the soil from growth, humus, pollination, erosion. What will be the answer? Yes, say. The answer will be erosion. Very good. Now, canopy is formed by small trees, herb, shrub, tall trees. What will be the answer? Canopy is formed by which type of? Yes, tall trees. Very good. Interdependence of animal for food is called food order, food cycle, food chain, none of these. What will be the answer? Food chain, yes, very good. Now, nutrients are replenished in the soil through option 1 water, second plant roots, third humus, fourth all of these. Nutrients are replenished in the soil through water, plant roots, humus or all of these. What will be the answer? Very good. The answer will be humus. Okay. Thank you for your answer everyone.